What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be part 2 of rebuilding a Spec Miata, the one that's behind me. I've got all the parts in. I think I have all the parts in. I'm pretty sure I have all the parts in. We've got most of the parts in. We've got to get the car fit together and make sure everything lines up, double measure, make sure everything's ready to be welded up, and then just finish up the job. Got to do a little bit of paint work on the interior pieces, cut out the new door. Got a lot of stuff to do, so see if we can get it done in this number 2 video, and because I know the customer is he's itching to get back on the track. So let's move forward with this thing, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, so let's get that new door cut out and clearance for the roll cage. Here we go. Alright guys, so you'll notice when we were pulling on the A-pillar, we actually had to cut into little squares so we can access the back. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. We had to cut these access ports to flip them over and actually weld to the inner structure here. I don't know if you can tell. All this is basically a skin, and when the A-pillar is in, when you're trying to pull it out, if you weld to this outer skin, it just pulls the skin out. It doesn't pull the A-pillar out. So we cut an access port, weld to the structure of the A-pillar, and then when we're pulling it out, we're actually pulling out the A-pillar, not just the skin. So we also got footage of cutting out the door. You can see it's basically the whole inner structure of the doors cut out for clearance for the roll bar. We also had to notch part of the quarter panel here for clearance for the roll bar.
I've got the quarter panel on, the tail light pocket and the lower piece there. The door's cut out, hung, and I will start on the front end this morning. And as you can see, everybody's hard at work here. I just can't find them.
So at this stage, we have the body parts test fit on the car. We've got the rear bumper, the tail lights, the quarter panel. The door's been cut out. We've also got it sitting on the car, the fenders on the car, the front bumper, the headlights, all the inner structure is all mocked up, just fitting in there, everything, the new core support. So we're happy with the way everything's fitting and lining up. All the measurements turned out good. So what's left to do now is to pull it back apart and get all the parts welded up. Alright guys, so when we're welding on a brand new panel on a vehicle, you'll see us drilling out holes. And what we're doing there is we're drilling where we're going to be spot welding. So we're actually melting two pieces of metal together. So when we're drilling, we are beveling out a hole and making clean metal to the panel underneath, so that when we do weld them together, we get good penetration and everything sticks and panels don't fly off the car when they're driving down the road. Alright, so the next step is to get this thing welded up, so let's do that. Alright, so next step after welding is cleaning up the welds, grinding them down where they're supposed to be smooth and making everything really pretty. Here we go. Alright, another installment of Pearls of Wisdom.
People who live in glass houses shouldn't throw rocks, and they also shouldn't walk around naked.
Alright guys, so it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to get the Spec Miata rebuild video done in 2 videos. Looks like it's going to be my first trilogy. So stay tuned for the 3rd episode of that, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.